Either you trade with intention or you stay a spectator. I am the fear. In 5 years of trading, I've built a system that more than 5,000 people use daily. Nearly 50,000 traders are already in my open Telegram channel, where I post free signals, proven strategies, and the latest financial news without fluff. If you want to see how real trading works, the link is in the description. Join us. While others hesitate, we win.
They say that I'm on the road. Maybe I just lost control. These nights keep on taking toll. Find me out here on my own.
Looking at AUD CHF, the chart shows a clear uptrend. Zigzag confirmed the impulse correction structure. A red candle forms, followed immediately by the first green one. Possible start of a new bullish wave. MACD begins to turn, lines converging, histogram weakening, RSI above 50, and title upward. Bullish sentiment intact. Technical setup is clean. I buy with $69. Continuation entry after pullback. Expecting a bullish impulse in the next minute. Want to profit from trading but don't want to spend months studying charts and indicators? Here's a simple way to start today. I built a VIP channel with live sessions where I share my exact entry points in real time. Just copy the trades and earn with me. Message me on Telegram to join and get 240 signals per month. Link in the description. Price moved in my favor almost instantly. After a short pause, a strong green candle closed the trade in profit. Balance $131. $61 gained, a precise low-risk entry. Switching to EUR/JPY, price tests a support level. Sellers losing strength. Last candle is red with a long lower wick. Strong rebound from the bottom. Zigzag confirmed the end of the down wave. MACD still negative but lines converging. RSI near 30. Clear oversold condition. I buy with $131. Looking for rebound of support. Expecting reversal on the next candle. Want to earn passively? Connect to copy trading. Every time I trade, your account mirrors mine. Same entry, same exit, same results. No years of experience needed. Just connect and start. Many already made $500, $1,000 in their first week. Not luck, but discipline and structure. Message me on Telegram. Link in the description. A strong green candle appeared right after entry. Price rebounded off support. Trade closed in profit. Balance now $250. Net gain $119. Perfect execution with a full indicator confirmation. On EUR/USD, price formed a double bottom and now break the neckline at 1.1729. Classic reversal pattern. Zigzag complete the bearish wave. MACD turns green. Histogram rising. Lines opening up. RSI climbs out of weakness. Solid setup. I buy with $250. Confirm reversal entry after correction. Expecting bullish continuation. Want to trade without compromising your values? These reversals are even easier to spot with the VFX robot. It scans trends and points out the best entry spots. Want to see it in action? Type I want ZFX. It works 24/7 and delivers around 200 signals with 86% accuracy. If you want to trade on autopilot, message me on Telegram and I'll set you up. Link in the description. Back to the trade. Market reacted immediately with a strong bullish impulse. A green candle closed firmly above the broken neckline. Trade closed in profit. Balance $481. Profit $230. Reliable entry with solid confirmation. On AUD/JPY, I see the end of a pullback. After a fresh local high, price corrected with several red candles, but now a green one closed above the last. Zigzag confirms the reverse. MACD losing bearish momentum. Histogram shrinking. RSI near 50 but turning upward. All signs point to bullish continuation. I buy with $481. Entry on the new impulse. Expecting quick move up. Optimus is my new trading bot that scans the market and delivers signals with up to 94% accuracy. No emotions, no delays, just clean entries. Work with Forex, crypto and stocks. 24/7 signals. Trade anytime. Turbo mode signals in 5 seconds. Asset ranking shows where the money is right now. Want to try it? Message me. I'll set it up for you today. Link in the description. Price climbed immediately after entry. The candle broke local resistance. Trade closing profit. Balance $923. Profit $442. Looking at AUD/CAD, reversal potential is clear. After a strong rally, price peaked and printed the first red candle. Zigzag and the bullish wave. MACD weakens. Shorter histogram, lines about to cross down. RSI overbought and turning lower. Everything signals short-term drop. I sell with $923, near the top, expecting a quick pullback. Want to trade stress-free without guessing? Private trading, ready-made signals, and personal support. Follow me. Copy trades, make money. That simple. Message me on Telegram. I'll help you get connected. Link in the description. Perfect timing. Price fell right away. A strong red candle locked in the move. Trade closed in profit. Balance $1,773. Net gain $850. One of the day's most precise and profitable trades. I started with a clean trend following entry on AUD/CHF. $61 gain right away. Then 2 textbook reversals on EUR/JPY and EUR/USD. Added over $350. AUD/JPY confirmed trend recovery. Another $442. And finally, AUD/CAD gave a perfect sell near the top, $850 more. Final result, balance at $1,773. Every trade was clear, safe, and fully aligned with strategy. If you want to trade like this, subscribe to my open Telegram channel, where almost 50,000 traders are already active. I share everything there. Setups, experience, free signals, and market analysis. Plus, real-time news and community support. Link below. See you in the next video.